number 1 says that Tanner collected 360 cans for his baseball team. This was 40% of what Reggie collected. So 360 matches up with the 40, and we want to figure out, well, what did Reggie collect? And percents are always out of 100. So we are going to cross multiply, so 360 times 100, and then we are going to divide that by 40. And that tells us that Reggie has collected 900 cans. For number 2, it says Emilio paid $287.50 in taxes to the school district that he lives in this year. This year's taxes were 15% increase from last year. So if it's a percent increase, we need to add 100 and the 15 because it increased. So we're going to use 115 as our percent. So we want 115 as our percent out of 100. But now we have to determine if the 287.50 is going to go on the top of our fraction or on the bottom of our fraction. And so it says that he paid $287.50 in taxes this year, and this year's taxes were higher. So we want this year to go along with the higher percentage because it's this year with an increase. So now that we know it goes on the top, we're going to put our question mark or our variable down here, cross multiply, and divide. If you have a calculator, you can punch that in. If you do 287.5 and you times it by 100, it's going to move the decimal 2 spots. So then you have 28,750 divided by 115, which gives you an answer of 250, and that is the amount that Emilio paid in taxes last year. So last year he paid $250.